So I was doing my morning routine and I came over here and look what I see. They opened. I have two of them. They're so pretty and smells so good. So exciting. So I'm gonna clip them because that's what my intentions are with this. I want to enjoy them inside. I mean, she's gonna have more that will open up and be out here, but yeah, I want to clip it and enjoy it inside. So let's see. Hey guys, so after showing you guys my gardenias, I clipped some and made a little cute little flower arrangement for my sister-in-law because she recently had surgery. So I came over here to bring it to her. They live in the same neighborhood, but on the side that's townhouses. We have different types of houses in this neighborhood because some are way older and some are younger, the houses. So yeah, anyways, so she started to collect succulents here and there. So this is her little arrangement that she made. Super cute. And then this one, she was with me when she purchased this, that. I think she was with me when she purchased every single part, I think. But this one, the Zagoides, is doing super well. It's already been out here for more than a month. So it's been dealing with all the rain and sun. This gets morning and afternoon sun right here. So yeah, but it's doing well. Maybe it gets a little bit shaded because I feel like this would be more have more color if it did get more sun, but it's looking super well. So pretty, especially this one too. I like it. I like the whole arrangement. I like the pot. That's a Dollar Tree pot with her really pretty I can never say that word. Anyways, I love the mustard color. This container she got from Hobby Lobby. And then over here, she's got some pineapples that she's growing. When she used to live in a different property, my brother had a bunch of pineapples growing. You know, you just take the head of the pineapple, plant it, and it grows a pineapple from up here. Really pretty. This one got a little sunburnt right here. You can see it. I gave her these and that. Pretty much soon she'll have to probably remove these because this one is probably going to take over. This she brought from Home Depot just as is. Yeah, it's been doing pretty good. She has this already for more than, I think it's probably 4 months old. I'm not sure, but about 4 months old. It's holding on. It's doing well for the weather that we have here, you know, on and off. This she got recently when I got my my golden girl. She was with me and she got this one. I believe this one is the panda. And here's another pineapple. And then also this one, also this arrangement she put together probably 4 months ago, maybe more, not sure. This she recently put together. She took some cuttings from the other arrangements and made this. We'll see how that does. And then this one as well, she got it a while back ago. Well, she put it together a while back ago. It's been doing well. See what I'm talking to you guys about? Her flapjack has so much color compared to mine, and mine gets morning and afternoon sun, so I do not get it. I don't get it. Anyway, so that's the little tour of my sister-in-law's little patio here in the back. You can see the lake, really pretty. And yeah, that's about it. You get people fish here for fun, and they let go of the fish. They catch and then let it go. Actually, my brother and his kids and my husband and my daughter love They love to do that, and they let go of the fish. They put it right back. So it's pretty cool. It's a good little distraction sometimes when the kids are bored. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good weekend and have a blessed day. Bye, guys.